Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This video is extremely important for anyone who just opened a new Facebook page and want to start a new business of his own. Today I will discuss how to create a complete performance marketing plan with your limited budget. So without further ado, let's start. First, you have to remember some important things. Creating Facebook page right way. When creating Facebook page, Facebook allows you to select three options as category. But many people I have find out that they choose a wrong category. For an example, you are running a cloud business, you are delivering the food to the offices or mess or other area. Selecting category, you have chosen there is sports, movie, entertainments or other things. So at the beginning, if you choose wrong category, your ad will be placed in front of wrong people. Try to make sure you have selected accurate category according to your business. Set up Google My Business profile. Many small business owner I have find out that they skip this process, but setting up Google My Business profile is so much important nowadays. It makes your business legit and trustworthy. People can easily find your phone number through your Google My Business profile, and if you have a website, you will get so much benefit in case of doing SEO. If you are doing a restaurant business, people can easily call you. If you connect this with your Facebook page, people can see the distance from their location to your shop and reach you easily. Keep the bio simple. Many people write a long bio on their Facebook page. This is not ideal. Don't do that. The bio should be short. If you want, you can add your phone number. Suppose you are selling organic food, you can write details about your food and benefits, and at last you put your phone number so that if anyone want to contact with you, so that they can call you through this number. Connect all social platform with your Facebook page. Most people do not connect their Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, even their landing page URL to their Facebook page. If these are not connected with your Facebook page, your brand looks totally incomplete. Same in case of your website. If your website does not have all these links connected with your landing page, high value customer won't trust you, because nowadays it is very easy to create a Facebook page and run ad. After fixes all of these common mistakes, start your 30-day ad plan. Remember, your goal should be keep running your ad for at least 30 days. Number 1, you have to run a like campaign. First, invite all of your friends to like your Facebook page, and then create a headshot video where you are showcasing your product. If you cannot do that, then just hire a model who will help you to showcase your product. If you cannot do that, try to use AI. Make 3 or 4 video and run campaign budget optimization. It means Facebook will decide which one should be shown to whom. You can run this for a lifetime budget, run at least 30 to 40 days. If you run it for a long time, then system will get a data. Oh, this person may be a legit person as he runs ad for a long time and he is not trying to spend $1,000 in a day. So slowly your like will be increased and people will find out that your business is legit business. Now people ask me, brother, should I use awareness campaign at the beginning? My suggestion is don't run awareness campaign at the beginning if you don't have a huge budget, because it will give you the low quality audience. Now another part, run video view campaign. If you run ads on Meta or Google, UGC is a must. If you are a founder, just go in front of camera, say something about your product. If you cannot do that, hire a model who will talk for you, and at the end add a CTA button, because if people like the video, they will go to your landing page and check out your product. Why traffic campaign to bring people on website won't work? I am guessing that as you are a new business owner, your website may be not fully optimized. So when people go to your website through your ad, they will just bounce back from your website. Your budget will be wasted. But if you say video view campaign and after then you add CTA button, people will go to your website and check out the product. In your ads manager, you will find a metric called unique unbound click. Through this metric, you will find out how many people go to your website by watching your ad. After that, go to your Google Analytics. If you find out that, then check how many people came to your website through the specific UTM parameter. Maybe I am doing much more complex. If you find out that there is a huge difference between the unique unbound clicks and your website visitors, that means it is not working properly. Maybe there is a problem with your website. Then gradually improve your website. Number 3, run a message campaign with automated response. You can add call now button so that people can easily call you. Suppose you are selling a low budget product, the customer probably knocked at 5 other pages along with your page. Whoever respond quickly and properly will get this sale. So try to respond as early as possible. Run the message campaign for at least 14 days. So now your 3 campaign is running. Number 1 is page like campaign. Number 2, video view campaign. Number 3, send message campaign. Finally, run a manual sales campaign with open targeting, and another one is retargeting. One is bid open, where you will target everyone with some interest, and in retargeting campaign you will retarget all those person who give you message, who like your page, who engage your video or post, who visited your website. Try to add some offer with your retargeting campaign. Both of them will run for at least 15 days. So you are running 4 campaigns for at least 1 month. Then you will understand whether anything is happening or not. Your goal should be generate the amount which you have spent in your ad, not like expecting 10x return. The main thing you have to try and try. You should not just go to Facebook and boost the post and sit idle. Follow a proper plan patiently. That's enough for today. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel.